Imperial Bank of India was a bank for elite people. After independence, by taking over Imperial Bank of India, State Bank of India has been created in 1955 by an act in the Parliament, State Bank of India, on 1st July 1955, which we are celebrating today. The State Bank of India has been created with the intention of taking the bank to common man, far into the villages, and serve all parts of India. It has been a steep and stupendous path of progress that we have traversed since our inception as the premier financial organization of the country. The employees of State Bank of India celebrate today our foundation day and feel immensely proud of being the part of this great organization. With its rich heritage over 200 years, which is also a national treasure. From the day our country attained independence, we have moved together. The history of SBI is the history of development and national building of our country. Debit card and State Bank virtual cards are launched. Introduction of online saving account opening facility. CTS compliant multi-city checkbooks issued to all customers. As regards to Hyderabad Circle, our Hyderabad Circle with local head office here came into existence on the 1st February 1965 with a complement of 103 branches and has since grown to 1,451 branches having 19,487 staff members. Hyderabad Circle has got the youngest complement of the employees here with 42.81 years of age. This is one of the youngest circles in terms of human resources. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, SBI is the largest bank with a network of 1,451 branches, with 65% of the branches, that is 869 branches, are in rural and semi-urban areas. It is catering to the needs of large corporates through its corporate accounts group in Hyderabad, 7 mid-corporate branches from Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Guntur and Vijayawada.